How to upload resume on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to upload resume on LinkedIn. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for linkedin.com. Now go ahead and sign yourself in if you have not signed in yet. Once signed in, you will be led to the home page of LinkedIn. Now on the top toolbar, you will see the option for Me. So go ahead and tap on the Me drop down and further tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Now on the left side toolbar, you will see the option for Data and Privacy. Tap on that. You will then be shown with a bunch of options. Go ahead and scroll down and find the Job Seeking Preference tab. Under Job Seeking Preferences tab, you will see the option for Job Application Settings. Tap on that. You will now see the button for Upload Resume. Tap on that and select the location from where you want to upload the file and upload the file further by tapping on the Open button. Once uploaded, go back and with this, your resume on LinkedIn has been successfully uploaded. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.